Have you ever felt tired, even after a full night's sleep? Or found yourself bloated after eating, wondering what went wrong, even when you ate something healthy? Sometimes, it's not about eating less or doing more. It's about a quiet fire inside you, the one that helps your body feel light, clear, and full of energy. When that fire burns strong, you thrive. But when it dims, everything feels off. Welcome to Living Well Daily. Today, we'll explore one small, simple shift that can reignite that fire, starting in your gut, and completely transform the way you feel from the inside out. Stick around, because the difference this makes might surprise you. Before we dive in, ask yourself this. When was the last time you truly felt your food nourishing you? Let's find out how to bring that feeling back, and why it all begins with warmth. Chapter 1. Your gut, your inner fire. Imagine your gut as a fireplace, the center of warmth, energy, and transformation. In ancient traditions, this was your core, where food turns into fuel and fuel into life force. But like any fire, it needs to be tended, neglected, or worse, throw cold water on it, and the flame dies out. That's what's happening when we overload our mornings with cold, raw, or frozen foods. We're dampening the fire before it even gets a chance to catch. And the consequences show up quietly. Sluggish digestion, a low energy, brain fog, bloating, and discomfort. So, what if you simply began your day by feeding the fire instead of freezing it? Modern science is catching up with what ancient medicine has said for centuries. Your gut is the foundation of health. It affects your immunity, your hormones, even your brain. The gut-brain connection is real, and inflammation in your gut can directly impact your mood and clarity. Think of your gut as a second brain, one that thrives when treated with warmth, patience, and intention. Just like we wouldn't throw logs onto a cold fire and expect a flame, we can't expect our gut to do its job well without giving it the right environment to function. Curious how your breakfast might be fueling or extinguishing your day? Let's explore that next. Chapter 2. What cold foods really do. Let's talk about smoothies. Yes, the healthy kind. Packed with fruits, greens, superfoods. Wonderful, but not always. When your digestive fire is low, which it often is in the early morning, throwing ice-cold smoothies into your belly is like dumping snow on a sleepy campfire. It doesn't energize, it smothers. Eastern medicine teaches that your stomach likes warmth and softness, food that's easy to break down, easy to absorb. Like soup, like porridge, like eggs and sautéed greens. From a Western perspective, this makes sense too. Your enzymes work better at certain temperatures. Cold food can delay digestion, making it harder for your body to produce the right amounts of stomach acid and digestive juices. That delay often leads to bloating, indigestion, and a foggy head. Here's a simple truth. Even healthy foods can backfire if they're eaten at the wrong time, or in the wrong form. Cold isn't always bad. It's just not the right choice for starting your digestive engine first thing in the morning. Still wondering what warm food can actually do for your gut? Let's get specific. Chapter 3. The Power of Warm Mornings. Picture this. A cold winter morning, and instead of something frozen, you sip on warm ginger tea. You sit down with a bowl of creamy oatmeal cooked with cinnamon and apples. This is more than breakfast. This is medicine. Warm, cooked meals in the morning. Stimulate enzyme production. Support gut microbiome balance. Improve nutrient absorption. Reduce bloating and sluggishness. Even better, they give you a sense of grounding, like you're anchored, calm, and ready to take on the day. Want to take it to the next level? Try eating in a peaceful environment. Sit down, avoid screens, and allow your nervous system to enter a state of rest and digest. Your body digests food best when it's calm, not rushed. These small practices, repeated daily, can completely rewire your health over time. You might not notice a change overnight, but give it a week, and you'll likely feel clearer, lighter, and more connected to your body. Think of this as the slow kind of magic, the kind that builds health not just for today, but for the long haul. But how do you know if your gut really needs this change? The signs might be sneakier than you think. Chapter 4. Sneaky signs your gut is struggling. Not all gut issues scream. Some whisper. Here's what to look for. You feel tired after eating. You bruise easily or have pale gums. You're gaining weight without eating more. Your joints ache or your head feels foggy. And you crave sugar but feel worse after eating it. These are your body's gentle nudges, asking you to listen, to slow down, to warm up. Your gut is also deeply tied to your emotions. Many people don't realize that serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is largely produced in the gut. When your digestion is off, it's common to feel down, anxious, or disconnected. Taking care of your digestion is also a form of emotional self-care. If you've been treating symptoms, fatigue, cravings, irritability, without checking your gut first, now's the time to shift your focus inward. Listen closely. Your gut is always speaking, even in whispers. So what happens when real people start to listen? Let's take a look. Chapter 5. Real people, real change. I've seen people turn their entire energy around with one simple change: warming up their breakfasts. A woman in her 40s, always bloated, switched her smoothie for a veggie soup in the morning. Within a week, no more bloating, more focus, steady energy. A man in his 50s, tired, heavy, and stuck, started eating warm oats with turmeric and banana. In 3 weeks, he felt lighter, clearer, and more in tune with his body. This isn't magic. It's supporting your system instead of stressing it. These examples show that small adjustments can lead to big changes. You don't have to revamp your whole lifestyle. Just observe how you feel, be consistent, and let your gut guide you. Healing starts with the smallest shifts and builds, day by day, into something lasting. Ready to try it for yourself? Here's exactly how to begin. Chapter 6. Practical tips you can start today. White heavy checkmark. Start your day with warm, cooked foods. Oatmeal, soups, sautéed vegetables, eggs. White heavy checkmark. Add warming spices. Ginger, cinnamon, turmeric. White heavy checkmark. Avoid cold smoothies first thing in the morning, or warm them slightly and add spices. White heavy checkmark. Eat slowly and mindfully. Your stomach doesn't have teeth. White heavy checkmark. Follow the seasons. More raw foods in summer, more cooked foods in winter. Bonus tip: try batch cooking your breakfast. Make a big pot of steel-cut oats or veggie soup ahead of time. Mornings become easier, and your gut will thank you. Also, don't underestimate hydration. Start your day with warm lemon water or ginger tea. It helps kickstart digestion, flush out toxins, and hydrates your cells from the inside out. Pro tip: if you're someone who eats on the go, invest in a good thermos. That way, you can bring warm food or tea wherever you go, keeping your fire burning, even on busy mornings. Try one of these tips tomorrow, and just notice how your body responds. Final takeaways plus call to action. So, what's the lesson in all of this? You don't need a radical diet. You don't need fancy supplements or overnight transformations. Sometimes, the most powerful change begins with something simple, like a warm bowl of food in the morning. Because your gut isn't just where food goes. It's where energy is made, clarity begins, and healing takes root. So here's what I invite you to do. Green circle. Start your day warm. Green circle. Listen to your body, not the latest trend. Green circle. Treat your gut like the foundation it truly is, not an afterthought. And most importantly, be gentle with yourself. Health isn't about perfection. It's about small choices made consistently, with care and intention. If this video gave you even one new insight, one shift in perspective, I'd love for you to join us. Backhand index pointing right. Hit subscribe to Living Well Daily, so you never miss a chance to learn, grow, and feel better, one simple step at a time. Your body is wisdom. Your gut has a voice. Let's keep listening together. Until next time, take care, stay warm, and keep living well. Green heart.